Hi everyone, this is Brendan. Welcome to another 2-Minute PD. Today we're talking about Draftback, which is a Chrome extension, draftback.com if you want to find it. It's really, really cool. So if you're on a Google document, any Google document where you have editing rights on, after you install this extension, will have this little Draftback up here. And if you click on it, it will actually bring up a little dialog up here and it'll start creating a draftback play of all your extensions. And I'm not doing it right now because this, with 9,000 revisions, this actually took about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get ready. Now, draftback takes the revision history and puts it into a player. And I'll show you that in just a second. But most of you know the revision history. If you don't, if you click where it says last edit, it brings up your revision history. You can also find it under File, Revision History, or Control-Alt-Shift-G. And revision history is pretty simple. You just click on a revision, and basically it color codes your document. So whatever was added at February 27th at 9:18 a.m. will be a different color. So we'll scroll down, and you can see this sentence was removed from here and added here. So it's kind of nice to look through a revision history, especially with your students. You can see, I know some English teachers who use the second draft of a student's work, and they go, look, here's how your changes. I like how you move this to there and this to there, et cetera, et cetera. Or you could take some of your work and show it off to students. I think Draftback kind of works the same way, except it's really cool. So if I play it at their regular speed, basically it takes each revision, which is basically every keystroke you ever take, and just plays one after another. So you can watch the document be written as a person's writing. You can also play it at actual speed and see, how slow I type or where I stop to think, etc., etc. It's great for if you suspect a student has maybe copied and pasted their report, so you'll see it just show up when they copy and paste. Or I think it would be even better as, let me take the writing that I've done. Let me show you a first draft, how I just race through the writing and get the information down, or a second draft where I spend a little more time thinking about moving stuff around as opposed to actually writing, or the final draft where it's not writing much at all. It's mostly going through and checking for grammar and sentence structure, et cetera, et cetera. So those could be great ways of showing students how the writing process works, as well as, keeping an eye on what they do. So I hope you have fun and use this well in class. Thanks for listening.